हम आज तक ये पता नहीं कर पाए लगातार ये जो सीरियल ब्लास्ट हो रहे हैं इनके पीछे किसका हाथ है।
My name is Rajkumar Gupta. I am the writer-director of India's Most Wanted. This is a film which is inspired by real-life event about these 5 unlikely men who go on to capture India's Most Wanted without firing a single bullet.
तुम कहना चाहते हो कि तुम और ये 4 ये इंडिया के मोस्ट वांटेड को पकड़ कर लाओगे? हाँ, वो भी बिना किसी हथियार के और बिना किसी सपोर्ट के?
Yes, sir.
And that is what is the soul of the film. We have shot this film in real locations in Bihar, Patna, in Nepal extensively, and what you see in the visuals are not sets but actual locations where we have shot. It has been the film has been very gritty. It has been a difficult shoot for the cast and crew.
कहाँ जाना है?
काठमांडू। कोई आईडीज नहीं, कोई वेपन्स नहीं। आप सब इस फोटो को 100 बार 1000 बार देख लीजिए।
As far as Arjun is concerned, it was a very instinctive process. It was something which when I was writing it and when I finished writing it, I needed somebody who looked normal.
लेकिन नुकसान बराबरी का हो सकता है।
So it was very challenging physically and mentally. The entire cast and crew were very supportive, and I thank them for coming on that journey with me and exploring these locations. At times we didn't have an opportunity to even even repeat takes. And we had to do it in one take and in real location and with uncontrolled traffic as well as crowd. But we managed to do it.
तुम्हारा लड़का पागल हो गया है।
पागल है देश के लिए, जो हम सबको होना चाहिए।
Sir, we are this close to capturing.
We chose a house which was 100 meters from the house where this person was captured. I mean, when we first went there, it was quite a hair-raising experience, I would say. I think it's something that has been an unbelievable story when I first heard it, and it is something very human, and I hope that it comes across on screen, and I hope people see it that way with the same inspiration that I have taken to make this film, and I hope they're able to understand how these unsung heroes need to be shown more and need to be kind of given credit.